What's up, BBQ Jammers? Guys, I have some exciting news. Z-Grills has reached out to me and wanted to do a collab, and they've sent me a brand new pellet grill along with some pellets. Guys, we're gonna do an unboxing. You're gonna check it all out. You're gonna see how it all comes together, and then we're gonna talk about it. So without further ado, let's get involved. Woo! All right, let's check out these pellets. So excited about these pellets, so excited about this grill. Let's see what we've got here, guys. All right, right off the bat, we have some cherry. Check it out. We have some cherry pellets. That is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to check those guys out. And, whoa, I guess we have two cherries. Check it out. Cherry. All right, so it's time to get into the business end of this thing. This is the 702C2E model, so let's jump into it. Got our handlebar, looking pretty good. What do you think? Here it is, everybody. It is put together. It is looking sweet. It is really well built. The wheels on this thing are very nice. It's got some nice features on it. You guys are gonna love this thing. It's pretty heavy duty for what it is. We are gonna do a startup on this, sort of pre-inspection. We're gonna show you guys how we did that. But guys, you gotta check this thing out. It's pretty sweet. Okay, so let's do a pre-inspection on this grill. We're gonna remove our grill grates. We're going to remove our grease pan and also our heat baffle. And let's start our starting sequence. So let's hit the power button. We want to check to make sure our fan is blowing. We also want to check to see if our auger is moving, and it is moving very slowly. So we want to check our hot rod, make sure it's blowing, and it is. We've got air movement. So that is looking good. Everything seems to be operating like it's supposed to be. So initial startup is looking good. So we're gonna put this all back together, and then we're gonna fire this thing up and burn off all the oil and all the things that are in here so we can start cooking on it. So here we go. All right, now we've got some smoke rolling. We're gonna reassemble everything back in here, and we're gonna close it and see it come up to temp and burn everything off. So here we go. Okay, now that we're all closed down, we're gonna let this come up to temp, let it burn everything off, and we'll see you guys back here in just a second. All right, guys, we are done with this burn off. We are ready to start cooking some meat on this thing. We have an episode tomorrow that we're gonna be cooking. We're gonna be doing some chicken quarters on this thing. You guys stay tuned, check it out. So far, so good. This thing is rocking and rolling, doing its job. We're hanging right at a right temperature for our burn off. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna check you guys next time. Let's get involved with these Z-Grills. Come on, people. Woo!